Hello and welcome back to the Man's Kitchen. Today we're going to do part 2 of our healthy kids food and snacks and stuff for kids. And today we're going to make a strawberry and spinach salad. And I'm going to show you everything you need to know about strawberry and spinach salad right after this. And we're back from the intro. Now, if you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And Google, the parent company of YouTube, makes this a 2-step process. You also need to ding the bell icon right beside the subscribe button. That way you get notifications when I actually post videos. If you like this video, the one I'm doing right now today, hit the like button. If you want to leave me a comment, a critique, a criticism, go ahead, type that down below. And if you want to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, that way you can get cool pictures. I take pictures of this stuff too. I post it online. I update stuff there too. You can stay up to date with us there. Now, I'm going to show you the ingredients needed for the spinach and the strawberry salad. So, first off, we have our spinach. I have 4 cups here. And I already trimmed it and washed it. I have 1 cup of sliced strawberries. And if you need to know how to cut vegetables or fruits, go ahead and look up our Kitchen Basics. Look up our Kitchen Basics playlist. I'll actually put it up right up here. Now for the dressing, I have a cup of olive oil. I have a half a cup of plain yogurt. I have a half a cup of lemon juice. I've got a tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 minced cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. And tools we're going to need today, pretty simple. Spatula, bowl, whisk. And I'll show you how to mix this all up next. Alright, so there's actually no cooking really today. All we're going to do is combine all of our ingredients into this bowl. Okay, so we are just putting everything in here. Now, optional is pumpkin seeds, but it advises not to use them if you're making this for children under the age of 4, because it can present a choking hazard. Okay, I'm assuming you washed your hands before you started, just like I did. Now that we have all of our ingredients in here, we're going to whisk this up. All I do is work it back and forth one way and then the other way. There, we can see that all came together nicely. So we'll grab a spoon to taste this up before we start adding salt and pepper. Not a lot of pepper is going to be needed, and I'm going with a pinch of salt. Just that little bit of salt was able to unlock all the flavors inside of the ingredients. Now, let's get to plating this up. Alright, now if you're going to serve this up for all your kids at once, go ahead and just toss your strawberries in here, pour all your dressing on, give it a good toss, and individually bowl it out. Now, I'm having this at home, so instead, I'm going to take a little bit of my spinach, put it into my salad bowl, add some strawberries, pour on some dressing, and let's see if the flavors all work together. I've got a little bit of strawberry on here and some spinach with the dressing. It's very yogurt forward. That's good. I think it's not only is it child approved, but it's adult approved too. It's got just the right amount of sweetness from the maple syrup that no kid should turn their nose to this. And remember, I know it's an old adage from us adults that you don't make friends with salad, but we're trying to make healthier, tastier, and more wholesome food for our children so they can live a healthy, active, and long life. And it's important for us as adults to set a good example and also eat salads, even if we don't want to, but when they're this good, you might want to. So that way we can live long and healthy and active lives with our children. Thanks for watching The Man's Kitchen today, and enjoy your weekend.